Okay, we are back to Val's quick tips and tricks, and today is Bimbli harvest time. This is a tree, and this is a plant which is in a small grow bag here, 15-inch. Lots of Bimblis come here. Some more here. Few have already started falling, so time to harvest them. So few we are removing the big ones for our curry today. This was a grafted plant we got, hardly 3 months, and we started getting fruits. We got 2 grafted one, the other one is not yet fruiting. That is over here. This one's giving good fruits. So easy to go grow, just get it from one of your local nurseries, put it in a small bag, 15-inch, and you'll get some nice Bimbli fruits. Thank you.